Ever wondered how the purest gold bars, 99% pure, are created? From raw ore to shimmering gold, the journey is nothing short of extraordinary. Stick around as we take you inside a gold factory to reveal the secrets behind one of the world's most fascinating manufacturing processes. Introduction to Gold Manufacturing. Welcome to Of Profit Explan, where we uncover the mysteries of global industries. Today, we're diving into the intricate process of turning raw gold into pure, glimmering bars. Whether it's mined from deep underground or recycled from old jewelry and electronics, the journey of gold is fascinating. Mining and collection gold begins its journey either as raw ore, mined from the earth, or as recycled materials like jewelry, electronic waste, or industrial byproducts. Mining involves advanced exploration techniques to locate gold-rich deposits, followed by excavation through open pit or underground mining methods. Recycling, on the other hand, involves collecting and sorting gold-containing items for reprocessing, crushing, and grinding. Once the raw materials are collected, they are crushed and ground into a fine powder. This increases the surface area, making it easier to extract gold in the next steps. Gold extraction. To separate gold from other materials, manufacturers use methods like cyanidation, which dissolves gold using a weak cyanide solution, or aqua regia, a chemical process that isolates the precious metal. For recycled materials, physical methods like gravity separation or electrolysis are also common, refining the gold. The extracted gold is sent to a refinery, where it undergoes purification processes like the Miller process or the Wohlwill process. These techniques achieve gold purities of 99% or higher. During refining, impurities are removed with the help of agents like borax, soda ash, and niter, melting and pouring. At this stage, the purified gold is melted in a furnace heated to over 100 to 200 degrees Celsius. Additives ensure the heat is retained, allowing for smooth pouring into molds. Precision is key here, as any sudden cooling could compromise the quality of the bars. Cooling and finishing. Once poured, the gold solidifies quickly, within 30 seconds. The bars are cooled, cleaned, and inspected for sharp edges or imperfections. Any remaining gold particles are carefully collected to avoid loss. Quality control and packaging. Each bar is assayed to confirm its purity, with results determining its suitability for sale or industrial use. After approval, the bars are stamped, recorded, and packaged for distribution. The versatility of gold. Gold bars aren't the only outcome of this process. Gold is also molded into coins, used in electronics for its conductivity, and even applied in medicine and aerospace due to its unique properties. And that's the incredible journey of 99% pure gold bars, from raw ore to dazzling bullion. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Of Profit Explan, and hit the notification bell for more fascinating insights into global industries. Let us know in the comments what you'd like us to cover next.